Become a promethazine queen. Promethazine queen. And you can sort of get an idea for what this is used for based on this package. Cats. You give it to cats quite often. It makes them more docile. Flowers. If you crush it up and put it in the flower. Well, I think we know now why that's not more popular. Not available in the United States without a prescription.